cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks, so little time.
So I have opened 5 cans and drained 5 cans of green beans, put it in our casserole dish. I do have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. As to add the bacon pieces, I'm just going to leave it whole. And I'm going to add the 12 pieces of bacon, which basically are half pieces of bacon. I'm kind of save a little bit. So I'm going to put these on top. So in a bowl, we got about 2/3 cups of brown sugar. And we're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Adding about 6 teaspoons or so of soy sauce. Somewhere there. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter. We're going to mix this up. And this is a Facebook recipe I seen several years ago. Wanted to try it, never did. So we're going to try it. So it's called cracked green beans. And you know the deal. We're going to pour this crack sauce over our green beans. And of course, I'm going to get all that yumminess out of there. So according to the recipe, we got to let this bake for 40 minutes. So I'm going to bake it 20 minutes, flip it around, and bake another 20 minutes. And again, this is cracked green beans.